What's up?
All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's tap in, bro. I'm about to set a timer, 15 minutes, and we out of here, man. That's cool.
Yeah, cool.
I bet.
I hope my shit not charging. Oh, there we go. It's good. I've been balling all season. Oh, well, let me turn my camera on. You got that shit disabled.
I got that with John. What?
The camera is disabled. I can't turn it on.
What I need to do?
I don't know. It don't matter. But shit, what you see today?
Man, so first, bro, let's go over your trade. Actually, let me see. How you say I do
Um,
this shit, bro?
for
Make
what?
it more. I'm finna make you the host. We gonna go over your trades first. Cause you took a couple trades, didn't you?
Uh, the same shit. Yeah, it was the same trade, just different entry.
Say no more. We finna go over there John real quick. Then I'm gonna go over mine, and we're gonna go all the way back to the other day too when you said you was working on that extra confirmation breaking that swing low. I want to see if you really waited on that. I remember you saying that, so I want to see if you did what you said you was gonna do. I'm finna make you the host real quick, bro.
But
All right.
I play offense and defense. I mean, all season.
You should be the host right now.
Man, hold up. Okay.
Bro, turn your camera on, bro.
Okay. It's disabled.
Hmm.
Shit.
Oh,
I'm
you must
tired
be
of
in bed with
it. Fuck.
it.
How the fuck I get so tired? Maybe that Oculus did it. That shit probably work your brain a little more or something. I don't know. But
All right, start me off at play number one for the day. What you do, and what's your reasons, and what you getting better at, bro? Let's see.
yeah, no, I just came into this order block right here. So I sold it. Um we had this breaker structure. Uh yeah, this breaker structure right here. So this technically was supposed to be going down. So
Hold on, go
uh,
back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Don't rush through that time. Go back
yeah,
real quick, bro.
it's the same shit. It's just the 15-minute time frame.
Okay,
So this the breaking structure right here.
okay. Why is that? Why is that? Like, what's the difference at that point than at the one above it, kind of to the right where it is in the black zone? How come that's not your breaking structure instead of the one below it?
Talking about this right here.
Nah, to the left a little bit. That one, yeah. So what's the difference between that point and that one?
That's a break too. It's just this is lower down, so it's more valid.
Okay.
But well, not like long term is more valid. This is valid too. It's just this a bigger break. This a break. This a bigger break. If this broke, that'd be even bigger break.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so it broke structure. So really, it started breaking structure right here. So you could have got
Mm-hmm.
in for the sales up here if you would have wanted to chance it. But the thing is, that's not enough data for you to really want to sell just because like the strength is it's got amazing strength. So it's like if you just sold off that break right there, that's a pretty risky move because that could have just been a retracement to go higher. But
Mm. So
since it's
you
broke,
so
but
you
since
looking
it's
for
broke,
two breaks? My fault. Go ahead.
yeah, most likely that two breaks is good.
Mm-hmm.
But so it broke right there. So now I'm just waiting for the retracement to enter. So it came up, retraced, came into this gap right here, where it's just this blue candle, hit this order block, this last up move before the down move. I sold from here and put my stop loss above this high.
Hold on, where you get in at?
I originally got in like up here,
Why you get in right there? Not like
like
where exactly did you get in at?
yeah, like right here, and then it hit this block right here, this last up move before the down move. Put my stop loss up here, and I expected it to swing down, but since it took too long, it took because this is a whole day right here. So it came here the first day, came back up, and then the second day I entered like right. I got an entry in here. I had an entry in here, and I moved my stop loss to right here.
All right, let me ask you something real quick. The last time we talked, you said you gonna wait on a break in structure more. So I'm trying to see where you got in to see if you waited on that. Like when you said you entered, what made you enter? I'm trying to go on that first entry. You said I enter here, but like for what though? Like what you just entered because you seen that first break, out that first one, that very first one. So you just sold as soon as it came back, or did you look for some confirming candles or anything like that?
Well, it broke instructions, so that was my confirmation that it should go lower.
Right.
Then I just wait for the retracement, and then when it came and filled this gap, that was my confirmation to enter this
So
gap
when it
right here.
came back up to that point, you just went ahead and sold no matter what it looked like.
Yeah, because my stop
Okay.
loss is above this high. So if I was right, it shouldn't have went above this high.
Right. I feel you. So you don't wait on the turn. You just go ahead and get in because it's supposed to go down anyways, all based off your technicals.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel you.
Now sometimes I do, but like sometimes if I'm pretty confident in it, I'll get in up here. But if I wasn't so confident in it, I'll wait until the light broke this maybe. If it broke
Mm.
this right here, if it broke this right here, then I get in. That's another breaking structure. So if I wasn't so confident, but I was more confident since it dropped. But then it scared me. It came back up. I thought it was gonna just shoot to the moon, but it ended up dropping some more. I got some entries right here. I got some entries in here. Um, and New York session is the green. So New York opened right here. So
Hmm.
when New York opened and it was down here, I closed it because New York tends to have reversals. So I knew that it was a chance it would reverse during New York. So I just closed it and I let it be. And I
Mm.
just switched over to Nas and just seeing if I could find anything on Nas. I ain't had no good plays on Nas for real.
Okay.
Nas, I just didn't catch it. It ended up dropping. I just didn't catch it though. So yeah.
Mm. So go to them losing trades you had that before that one. Let's
No,
dissect them.
that was just pieces of this right here.
Huh?
That was just pieces of this right here. Like I had some entries that I closed to reduce risk. When this came up above here, I closed some partials out to reduce risk in case it
Okay.
did continue up. So it's all the same trade.
So it was one big trade. You just kind of you scaling out and scaling in.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then I
Okay.
just scaled all the way out when it down here. When it came down there.
This Terrell texting me now. He trying to see if he can get in the Zoom. I knew his ass was gonna hit me up.
Hmm.
He probably ain't gonna make it though, cause we almost halfway done.
But yeah, that was my shit right there. So I did pretty good today. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. So that's good. You seem like you waited. Yeah, go ahead and make me the host. Uh, I think I can do it. Yeah. It seemed like you waited on that break like you been wanting, or you was kind of aggressive that first time you had lost. So what you got? You got what 3 green days and 1 red this week, huh?
uh,
Something like
yeah,
that.
I don't know. I hopped in a new account. I've been doing my trial runs for this FTMO, so I don't even see my old history. I only see today for real. But
Okay.
if I look at my journal, it'll tell me. I kind of forgot.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna just go over my trade real quick. Let's see. Um, make this make this quick. We got about 5 minutes left. Oh dang, I forgot to ask you, bro. So what you working on to get better since that was your trade? What you doing?
Uh, I'm just not gonna move my stop loss down as fast.
Okay, so next time we talk, you working on not moving your stop, letting the trade work pretty much.
Not moving it down as fast.
Okay. So
I kind
what's
of kept it
fast?
down until I got a clear movement. Once I get a clear movement in my direction, then I start taking it down. But yeah.
Mm. Do you know like how far like was the movement gonna be, or you just play it back, like however you feel? What I do today? Let's see.
uh, it just depends on what the chart look like. I can't really say a pip amount. It got to be like what the structure look like.
I feel. Yeah, you real discretionary. I see you don't play it like you ain't really too into the numbers. You just play it up based off how you feel. That's real discretion right there. So I feel you on that. Well
It's
this
not
my
off the it's not off the numbers for my from my technicals. It's more like just the structure.
mm-hmm. I feel you. Well, this my trade, bro. Um long story short, the market opened up, the S&P opened up, where is that, 8:30. Boom. As soon as we opened up, we just broke to the downside. And I was looking to get short at a retest of the bottom. I mean at the high of the opening range. Boom, it came back into that level, and then um, as you can see right here, boom. This I consider this where my mouse at, like the first test, cause it ain't gonna always come deep into that zone. If it's really finna go down, it's not gonna give you all that. So that first test was this big hanging man candle, and then I mean, yeah, this big hanging man right here. My MACD was strong. Then this was right here was where my tick reading was at, and then I was looking for a equal test or a higher high. Boom! So on that higher high, my MACD histogram was turning down, and then if you notice the tick right there, you see that? Boom! It was turning down, and then it was just a big ass bearish engulfing candle closing below that moving area. So boom, I got short and took profit at 2 points. But I'm gonna show you something else I've been noticing. Um, so yeah, that was my trade. I usually get in on a double test, but if the market making higher highs, in my level and bearish divergence, I take that one too. And also, peep game on the trend. Remember, I told you about the trend. It was at a reading of like all the way above two, so that was hella bearish as well. So that's why I was so confident playing the downside, right above a demand zone.
Hmm.
And I seen something else. Oh, I scratched the trade today. I ain't tell you about that one. I wasn't confident in it in that time. But this one thing I noticed about me, bro. This is my strength. I realized that my strength in my trading is I like to play around the moving averages. So some people play like mean reverting strategy. So like when the market not around the moving average, like reverting back to the mean, people like to do that. I realized I don't like to do that, bro. So this was a trade I took. I call this like a range bound long. So we pushed up, we came right back down into the to the previous demand zone. And then I got that first test, boom. Then the second test, it showed bullish divergence on the lines and the tick, but it wasn't trading around. a moving average, like my pullbacks and stuff. You know what I'm talking about? So even though I had my signals, I bro, you can see I bought, got out at the same exact price, and I realized I don't like doing that shit, bro. And it's really nothing wrong with it. Like in the markets, you do not have to be doing something you don't like doing. It's enough markets out here to be focusing on your strength. So I probably really just get rid of this trade because it go against like my personality. That's that timer right there. We finna wrap it up. But that just kind of go against my personality. If you know what I'm talking about, like you probably got a style you like, and I'm just now realizing, bro. A lot of my losses, really, down there, all of my losses I took this month was me trying to take trades of this type of nature, like in the range. This should go against my personality because I'm the type, like, if I see this move up, I'm bullish, right? So if we pull back and make an equal low, in my head, I'm thinking if it's so bullish, why we come back all the way down to the spot where the buyer start pushing up in the first place? So, long story short, man, I learned more in this trade than my last one because I realized why I don't do well in these trades, and it's because it goes against my personalities and how I feel about the market. I'm gonna get better at it, but as of now, I'm gonna stick to my strength, and that's some I really just learned today. And this trade made me a better trader than the one I made money on because I already know I'm good at that. But this made me realize what I'm not good at and what I don't like doing. So let me ask you before we get off: do you know your strengths and weaknesses when it come to trading?
Yeah, yeah. I got a couple different moves I use. I call one like the New York grab for Nas. Then
What
I
you
got the
call it?
New York grab.
Hmm.
Then I got the AMD pattern for GU.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit like that. So yeah, I got my strength. I back tested the whole year just to see how many wins and how many losses, just to see the percent win rate.
Hmm. So what would you say your weaknesses are?
Mm,
I know you know 'em, you probably just don't want to admit them.
I say just moving that stop loss down a little too fast sometimes, because then it'll stop me out and then go for the move. If I would have just left it where it was and gave it some more room to breathe, then I would have caught the move. So
Mm.
that stop loss be a little too much sometimes.
So why you feel like you doing that?
Uh,
What's the
just
underlying issue?
trying to reduce my risk, not take that L. But
So
shit,
so
that's
fear
y'all.
of loss, basically. That's what
Yeah,
that sound like.
yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
wouldn't necessarily say fear, just overly averse to it. I'm just like trying to overcompensate instead of just letting the trade happen. But I know the losses come and shit, but I'm just making the wrong move when it comes to managing that trade. So I guess you could say the weaknesses that I'm working on is a trade management, basically, just making sure I manage the trade correctly.
Yeah, okay. Well, shit, on our next Zoom, I'm gonna be looking for you to do that. No moving stuff, bro. No moving that stop inside the noise. Let this shit work, man.
You start messing with Trader View.
Yeah, bro. That's what I'm trading the overnight session on. Y'all got me on that trade view. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to you. This I'm actually finna pull it up now and start trading it. But yeah, this what I be looking at, and I just sit here and look at it off a 30-second chart just to what I'm trying to say.
What's Hang Sing? Is that Chinese stocks?
Yep, it's the Hong Kong index. So I'm trading they open. It's overnight to me, but it's they open. So I'm
Oh,
just
shit.
yeah, I
Is it
just
volatile or what?
go ahead.
Is it volatile?
Yeah, on the 30-second chart. But like I said, I do it for to practice read structure and stuff like that. And the crazy thing is, bro, it moves just like US. And so I'm gonna throw some money in that junk, start trading that. I just been watching it lately, seeing if I see entries, and it's about to open up in like 15, 20 minutes. and that shit gonna
So
start moving.
what's your pre-market routine?
With over the overnight session or New York.
Either of them, are they different?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cause if I'm being honest, bro, that time be creeping up on me on this in this overnight session. Like right now, I supposed to been sitting here doing this, but like we just been talking. But as far as New York, man, get up, get a workout in, man, cook something to eat, sit down, meditate, then boom, I'm at the charts. But this, I just kind of been opening it up and just sitting there and watching it play out like it's TV. So, instead of watching Netflix till I go to sleep, I'm watching how these candles form in this price action. Then I go like up to the 15 minute and just like draw some zones. And that's really it, bro. I draw zones and then see how price behave around those zones. And then I'm through for the night, you know.
You want to see a video from one of my mentors if you got some time today?
My we can really do it tomorrow, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause that open finna happen, so I want to be
Well, I'm not gonna
finna
watch it.
get
I'm
that
just
shit
gonna
over.
send it to you. You can watch it in your free time and shit.
I hear yeah, send it to me, bro. I'm gonna check that joint out. But yeah, next time we zoom, bro, I'm gonna be looking for you to do that, man. Let them trades work. Start recording your trades too, bro. Just download free cam and start recording them just like before and after. You don't got to record the whole time you in them.
but well, shit. I'm gonna tap in with you.
I bet I'm gonna hit you up tomorrow, bro.